Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, September 5th, and I'm here with my friend Deb from Deb's Duffels. Deb has been a vendor with us for many markets now. So we're going to talk to her about all of her awesome creations in a minute. But first I wanted to share what's new in the shop today. This is called I Heart Ombre Love Letters Kit. The I Heart collection of V & Company ombre brings special sweetness and joy for Valentine's Day or any time of the year. Stitch up this darling love letters quilt for your favorite sweetheart. And this is by V & Company for Moda. The finished size of the quilt is approximately 54 by 57 inches, and the kit includes the pattern and fabrics for the quilt top and binding. Let's see if we can get a peek in here without breaking the box.
Oh,
So there's the pattern. And then here is the gorgeous collection of
very
fabrics.
nice.
Yeah. That's a pretty set.
Yes.
So that's what you'll get if you get the Ombre Love Letters kit from Moda. So those are available in the shop and online now. We'd be glad to ship it to you or have you come by and share some time with us and pick one up. And now we're going to turn the floor over to Deb and she can tell us all about her awesome bags.
Hello, everyone. I've been here quite a number of years, and it's been fun doing all of this. Okay, I'm going to start with the first one here. This is it's called triple zip, so it's three pockets on the outside and then one on the inside as well. And it's a crossbody.
It's a lot of zippers.
And I think I got this fabric here.
I think you did.
Yes. So each one, this is a great travel bag. It has pockets and then one on this side too. You can really get organized with this one too. And it's a nice adjustable crossbody as well. And the black part is cork. And I do a lot with cork. In fact, I think the rest of mine is cork.
Okay.
All right, next one, black and silver. All cork again, one pocket on the outside, and then the inside one. This is a smaller bag, nice for date night, church, whatever. And a thinner, not adjustable strap, but again, all cork.
Why do you like using cork?
It's kind of the up and coming thing. It's a good alternative to leather. It's scratch and water resistant. A lot of people ask me if it floats or it should float, and I said, you know, I haven't really checked
Depends
that
on
out.
what you put in it.
But
If you got a brick in your bag, maybe not.
But I'm not checking that one out. Next one is a crossbody again, and this one is adjustable.
That's pretty. What a pretty pattern.
Yes, isn't that? Still neutral, though. And then it does have a zippered pocket on the inside with an overlay. There we go.
That's really nice.
Nice size again. You can get what you need to in. And this extra little bit of zipper kind of works as a handle, too, to hold the zipper to support it. All right, next one. Whoops. Okay, I use this as an everyday one.
Perfect for fall.
Yes.
Now that we're getting some nice fall weather.
Definitely. Okay. One pocket on the outside and one pocket on the inside. And all cork again. And this is nylon, but again, adjustable.
And I will say for all the sewers out there, Deb does an amazing job with her seams and these overlay stitches. She is incredible at her precision
and I've made everything that I sell.
Yes.
Okay, here's another one. A different couple of these are new patterns for me for this fall.
Oh, that's a fun inside.
Yes, and again, an overlay of cork and then a snap.
That's good for when you want to get to your phone fast when it's ringing.
Yes.
And you know which pocket it's in.
Definitely, yes. And adjustable cork strap as well.
I think I feel a new purse coming on.
All right.
I've been carrying the same purse for a long time. It might be time to go shopping.
I've used several of these and they all work out well. Okay, and this is a minimalist kind of purse, a crossbody again. Got card slots. And you can put your phone, glasses in. We have a zipper on the back. And again, crossbody and adjustable strap.
That would be good for concerts.
Yes, and maybe even travel.
I have one and I use it for travel all the time.
Yes, And again, all cork, so it holds up really nice. And it also packs well too if you're going to
Right.
take it on a trip. And then I bought a smaller one. Then this again is a new pattern for me. A wristlet, basic stuff or minimalist stuff on the inside, 3 pockets for cards and ID, and a snap pocket for the on the outside. Well,
It does
there
snap.
we go.
It
It does.
does.
It does, and it stays snapped. All right, moving on. Okay, and this is my giveaway.
Okay.
This is a minimalist. It's an unlined cork pouch.
Ooh, but the inside also feels nice.
It's cool on the inside,
Yeah.
yes, and that's the backing of the cork.
Oh, yeah, it almost has, I guess it does have like a fabric-y woven backing on it.
And a nice 3 snaps, good for travel as well. And
Good
then
for carrying hand projects through carpool or
oh
wherever else you
yeah,
have to carry your hand
definitely, yes.
projects.
And then I'm also adding in a bookmark as well.
Oh, look how cute
And
that
this
is.
is cork as
Oh,
well.
you just put it over the corner of the
Yes.
page.
Yep.
Oh, very smart.
So those are my
Nice.
things.
Thank you.
You bet.
So again, Deb has been with us for many, many years, and we love having her. I think you're in the meeting center this year.
I think I'm outside.
Oh, okay.
Underneath.
You're on a sidewalk spot.
Yes.
So instead of having her big tent out on the
Yes.
side, she'll be in a sidewalk spot, which is somewhat easier
I'm
for
okay with
setup
that.
and
Yes.
takedown.
I don't have to.
So
mess
when
with
you're
my
looking for
fence,
her
yeah.
on October 12th, you can find her on the sidewalk instead of in the side parking lot. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.